Have you ever wondered how to choose the right trading company in South Africa? In the vast world of online trading, it's important to distinguish between legitimate and fraudulent companies. Today, we're going to explore the red and green flags to help you make informed decisions. First on our list, legitimate companies in South Africa are regulated by the FSCA and have an FSP number. It's always a good practice to verify these licenses and make inquiries to avoid falling into the trap of fraudsters who might be using these details under false pretenses. Legitimate companies will always request necessary documents to verify your identity, ensuring they comply with regulations. On the other hand, fraudulent companies often skip this step, allowing them to avoid accountability. Legitimate companies offer a variety of payment options such as debit and credit cards, bank transfers, and even Google or Apple Pay. Keep an eye out for fraudsters who insist on crypto payments only, making it difficult to trace transactions. Remember to never share sensitive information like ATM card details or passwords. Legitimate companies prioritize your security, while scammers may attempt to gain unauthorized access using tactics like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. Legitimate companies have physical offices in South Africa, which helps establish trust. Be wary of those fraudsters who operate solely online, making it challenging to trace their whereabouts. Legitimate companies provide multiple contact options like emails, customer support, landlines, and live chats. Scammers, however, often limit communication to WhatsApp and social media. Legitimate companies will contact you only through official channels like company emails or phone numbers. Be cautious of people using personal emails and fake social media accounts. Next step is to check online ratings. Legitimate companies may have both positive and negative reviews. If you can't find any reviews, be cautious, something may be amiss. Remember that legitimate companies in South Africa have local bank accounts. Watch out for scammers using e-wallets or crypto wallets to avoid traceability. Last but not least, legitimate companies will always emphasize the risks of trading. Be cautious of scammers guaranteeing profits. Don't be swayed by fast profit schemes. Remember, trading is a process of learning, analyzing, and monitoring the market. In conclusion, choosing the right company is pivotal for your future development as a trader. Stay informed, stay secure, and may your trading journey be filled with success. If you're interested in hearing from a regulated company, feel free to sign up.